everyone. Words are gold. Words are very powerful and it can destroy. I said words are powerful. I said and, I did not use but it can destroy. Many people use but. Here, our topic is about negative words. I want you to be careful because psychologically you might hear this a lot, but you need to be careful. Using negative words can create tension to your audience. Using negative words can, if you are into marketing, can affect your marketing campaign negatively. Using negative words, if you are in a sales deal, can break the whole sales deal. You cannot close the deal because of negative words. It is so powerful. It could be positive power or negative power. So you need to be careful of negative words. If you are a teacher, a presenter in public speaking, you cannot inspire your audience if you use lots of negative words. So these negative words needs to be replaced. What do I mean? Just exactly what I mentioned now. The word but, which is clearly negative, you can always, as a solution, replace it with and. Replace it with and. Another negative word, let's take another one. I know many people who use no or not a lot. For example, they start their sentence with saying no without a need to use no. They can just say their sentence immediately. Or there are many people that I have seen, even they go even much worse. They start all their sentences with no but, no but, no but. So imagine the amount of negativity to the other person. If you have seen such a person before, try to remember their conversations and how much negativity was it giving. You might not realize it's because of this, but it's simply because of their personality of repeating these negative words all the time. So avoid using no and no but and all these negative words. You can replace no with I say, if you are talking to someone, instead of saying no, you can say, I feel where you are coming from, or I think I understand where you are coming from. What about doing this and that? So this is a good solution. There are so many other words that you can replace it with. Okay, so no, not, but, however, these are obviously negative. Now there are some words even that you might think it's positive, but in reality it's not. So you might tell me, I always hear this in public speaking, in presentations. You have to be careful. That's why you have high achievers, little high achievers. That's why you have few leaders. That's why you have people who are really excellent in what they do, but others who are average or normal. So if you want to differentiate yourself from the others, if you want to inspire your audience, you need to avoid these common words that everyone is using. Such words are honestly speaking, or to be frank with you, or trust me on this, or to tell you the truth. The moment you say this, you are telling your audience that I have been lying all this time and now I'm telling you the truth. This is psychological. It's not like in their mind they are analyzing this and they are immediately getting tensed. They are immediately analyzing, are they telling me all these lies all the time and now they are telling me the truth? So you have to be very, very careful in this. Let me give you one more example on that. The word sorry. Some people always say sorry about everything, especially in meetings, in presentations. You have to be careful when to use this, when to apologize. Sometimes it might show you as a submissive, as you have done a big mistake, and sometimes you just say sorry for nothing. For example, instead of saying sorry about all this delay, you can say thank you for your patience. This is much more positive. Why do you have to be negative? Let me give you another example about while answering questions from a real example from classroom. So a person is presenting, a teacher is presenting, or the presenter, and then someone from the audience would tell him something that he is really experienced in, and he will try to highlight something, a mistake, that the presenter has said, or a mistake in the presentation, or a small error. So the answer from the presenter, it gets aggressive, will start saying no, no, but instead of saying no and but, and starting to that you have done this small mistake, and you are trying to analyze to your audience that you have, it's a small mistake. Why do you have to do this? Instead of that, you can say, good catch, excellent, thank you for telling me this, and you just continue. It's all positivity, all the classroom is happy, this person will not get upset. Instead, he is really happy that you have appreciated his feedback. That's it. So I want you all to stay positive, avoid these negative words. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please feel free to share it to everyone.